Hello, trucks of drivers. How are you guys doing? Today, I am going to focus on completely on how to do a driver inspection report. You guys already do use this, but I want to give you an update on the latest version of it, which is 9.63. So first, you got to make sure that you have a 9.63. The way you're going to find out is at the top corner. You will see it says Trucksoft-Driver-V version 9.63. And we'll go straight to the subject. You see on the bottom, you have your everyday driver checklist button, which is that button right there. You click that. You see a bunch of the one already that you did in the past. And here I'm going to say add inspection report. I'm going to select what your courier is right there. By default, in future, you should be selected your company name already, but if you're doing it in a different location, you can also select that one as well. But for right now, let's say right there. So the date is selected for you, gentlemen. You can change it because this is the actual time and date that you're doing the inspection report. Which means from this time onwards, if you report something else, the responsibility is taken off your hands of any problems that you might indicate on your truck. Next option is pre-trip. It is automatically selected by default it's pre-trip, but if you're doing post-trip, you may select post-trip as well. So I'm going to put it back to pre-trip. Then the very important thing is the truck number that you're driving. When you go in here, you'll see all the truck numbers listed. If your truck number, let's say 3030 or 815 right here is highlighted in yellow, that means this truck is not, you cannot drive this truck. Basically, it's telling you that something that was reported in this truck has not been fixed yet. So you might want to reach out to your mechanic or maintenance manager to get this released off, which they can do for you. But for this testing purpose, I'm going to select truck number 1213 and be done here. So I'm going to do an inspection report on 1213. The odometer, I'm going to say, for example, is 10,050. And then next is select truck items here. This right here is very important. The select truck items right here, if you click that button, it'll bring everything in a list format. On the left hand side, you'll see if it's defective. On the right hand side, you'll see it's good. So on the right hand side, to make it easy for your fingers, we have it on right here. We check that good. Let's say this is good right there. Let's say you see something wrong with the coupling device right here. So you want to check on the left hand side right there, saying that there's a defective, and you might want to click that upload button and take a picture of the actual coupling device. Right now I'm just going to take a picture of our office inside. Let's say this is an example coupling device right there, and I'm gonna say okay to that. I'm gonna also I can point at it, saying exactly where the problem is right there, and crop it so it'll be more detailed instead of taking a random picture for the person who's going to repair it. You can do this to multiple items if you see more than one problem. Let's say the air compressor, you find some problem in the next one, you click on that, you hit that. Let's say you want to take a picture of the air compressor, go back right there, gentlemen, hit the camera button. There you go. Take a picture of that. Say okay. Let's say I want to point focus it right there. That's the point that I want to. Gentlemen, by the way, these are examples just to give you guys an idea. So we check on everything else. Everything looks good. Other than that, so there are low risk items and there are high risk items here. If you notice, if it's a low risk item, your manager or the fleet person or the mechanic should be able to sign you off immediately. If it is a high risk item, then I think they're going to want you to not use that truck for the day and use something else or an alternative method. So I'm going to say everything is done. So out of if you look at right here, 41 items, Out of that, you have reported 2 items that are as a problem. Same thing goes with the trailer. You click on the trailer and you'll see there's 2 trailers that are under maintenance that have not been signed off with a problem reported. By default, let's say I'm going to take this as an example, be done with it, and I'm going to say this items on the trailer. We need to see what we're going to check. Let's say everything is fine. Be done with it. All right, if you want to say anything as a remark, you can hit that right there. Type. If you need to use that button right there, it says with the microphone, you can type on that too and talk to the system, or you can actually type. I'm gonna say, please get my truck fixed as soon as possible. And if you need to add another picture, you can add there too, but I am going to say I'm not going to sign condition of the above vehicle is satisfied because it's not. And here's your name. I'm going to put my name here, me as a driver who did the inspection report. Click right there. I am going to put my signature right there and hit save. In the bottom, I'm actually gonna hit the button save right here as well, because I cannot submit because it's not my job. Submit has to be done by the driver. So there you go. So now it's been reported. Next time when you try to select an inspection report on a particular truck, if you try to select that truck, it will show that truck is also reported with the problem. You see 1213, it's under maintenance. Until the mechanic signs off, you will not be able to use that. Anyways, if you got any more questions, you can call your fleet manager or look in the app all the way down. There's my cell phone, as my number directly to call me anytime you want to ask questions. It's 1-877-922-9700. Thank you guys for watching. Have a safe one. Thank you. Bye-bye.